Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we dive into the exquisite traditional lehenga fashion choices of the stunning Malavika Mohanam. Known for her impeccable style, Malavika effortlessly blends tradition with contemporary trends. Let's explore some of her captivating lehenga looks that have left us in awe. Our first stop on this fashion journey is her timeless elegance. In a classic red and gold silk lehenga, she exudes grace and sophistication. The intricate embroidery and delicate zari work make this ensemble a perfect choice for traditional occasions, be it weddings or festive celebrations. The actress proves that pastels can be just as enchanting in traditional wear. A soft pastel lehenga adorned with floral motifs showcases her affinity for understated beauty. The lightweight fabric and minimalistic embellishments make this outfit an ideal pick for daytime events. Malavika stuns in a royal blue velvet lehenga. The opulent design, paired with intricate craftsmanship, emanates a sense of grandeur. This choice is perfect for those who want to make a statement at extravagant celebrations. She also embraces fusion fashion with flair. A contemporary twist on traditional lehenga, she rocks a unique fusion ensemble. The combination of modern silhouettes with traditional embroidery showcases her versatility and ability to push fashion boundaries. The actress captivates in a pristine white lehenga ensemble. The intricate silver embellishments and delicate lace work on the dupatta add a touch of sophistication. This choice is perfect for those seeking a serene and angelic presence at traditional events. Her love for silk lehengas is evident in this vibrant ensemble. The rich combination of colors, paired with detailed threadwork, creates a masterpiece of traditional craftsmanship. This silk splendor is a testament to how she effortlessly blends vibrant hues while staying true to her South Indian roots. She showcases her bohemian side with a unique lehenga choice. Earthy tones, fringed details, and unconventional patterns make this outfit a standout. Perfect for pre-wedding functions or boho chic themed celebrations, this look exudes free-spirited charm. She often opts for statement mantikas or intricate mathapattis, enhancing the overall regal vibe. Additionally, her choice of clutch and footwear complements the outfit, completing the look with finesse. The actress showcases sheer elegance in a mesmerizing lehenga with intricate sheer panels. The strategic placement of delicate embroidery on sheer fabric adds a touch of sensuality while maintaining a classic charm. This choice is perfect for evening celebrations, striking a balance between tradition and modern allure. Embracing the richness of Banarasi silk, Malavika stuns in a regal Banarasi lehenga. The luxurious fabric, coupled with traditional zari work, creates a timeless ensemble fit for royal celebrations. This choice pays homage to the grandeur of Indian craftsmanship and heritage. In a nod to vintage aesthetics, the actress embraces the revival of classic silhouettes. A lehenga with vintage-inspired embroidery and a gracefully draped dupatta transports us to an era of timeless beauty. This choice is for those who appreciate the charm of bygone styles reimagined for the modern era. She often experiments with hairstyles, opting for traditional braids, loose curls, or even contemporary buns, complementing the overall look. Her makeup choices strike a balance between bold and subtle, enhancing her natural beauty and accentuating the outfit. Her traditional lehenga fashion choices, there are valuable takeaways for every fashion enthusiast. Malavika enchants in a floral fantasy lehenga, where vibrant blooms weave across the fabric. The intricately embroidered floral patterns add a touch of whimsy and freshness to the traditional silhouette. This choice is perfect for spring weddings or daytime festivities, radiating joy and positivity. The actress dons a lehenga in a single, striking color. The minimalistic approach allows the craftsmanship and attention to detail to take center stage. This monochrome majesty is a testament to her ability to make a statement with simplicity and elegance. Velvet takes center stage as Malavika embraces opulence in a richly hued velvet lehenga. The plush fabric, combined with intricate embroidery, creates a look that is both luxurious and regal. This choice is reserved for those grand celebrations where one wishes to exude sophistication and glamour. Her traditional lehenga fashion choices reflect not only her diverse wardrobe but also a style evolution over time. From experimenting with colors and fabrics to incorporating contemporary elements, her journey showcases a constant exploration and refinement of personal style. The actress steps into the allure of refined Banarasi weaves, showcasing a lehenga adorned with intricate patterns and delicate gold zari work. The timeless charm of Banarasi silk adds a touch of cultural richness to her ensemble, making it a perfect choice for traditional ceremonies and festivities. Adding a dazzling touch to her traditional wardrobe, the actress mesmerizes in a mirrorwork marvel. The strategic placement of mirrors on the lehenga reflects light, creating a captivating play of sparkle. This choice is an excellent option for evening events where she effortlessly stands out with her luminous presence. In a masterful blend of tradition and contemporary aesthetics, Malavika dons a lehenga that reinterprets heritage with a modern twist. The fusion of traditional embroidery with unconventional cuts and silhouettes highlights her ability to embrace the old and the new, creating a fashion statement that transcends time. Beyond the lehenga itself, her keen sense of style extends to accessories. Whether it's oversized jhumkas, intricate mangtikas, or statement belts, her accessory choices accentuate the overall look, adding a layer of personality and individuality to each traditional ensemble. Her traditional lehenga choices not only showcase her wardrobe diversity but also embody a fashion philosophy that celebrates heritage while allowing room for personal expression. The actress graces us with regal brilliance in a brocade lehenga, showcasing the timeless allure of this traditional fabric. The detailed brocade patterns, coupled with a contrasting dupatta, add a touch of opulence to her ensemble. This choice is ideal for those seeking a majestic look at grand celebrations. Diving into the realm of dual-toned elegance, Malavika dons a lehenga that seamlessly blends two complementary colors. The subtle transition between shades creates a harmonious and sophisticated look, capturing attention with its understated yet impactful charm. Embracing the delicacy of chikankari work, Malavika adorns a lehenga that exemplifies sheer charm and intricate craftsmanship. The fine threadwork on the fabric adds a touch of ethereal beauty, making this choice perfect for daytime events and intimate celebrations. Her traditional lehenga choices often feature signature silhouettes that enhance her overall look. Whether it's a voluminous flare, a fishtail hem, or a unique blouse design, her selection of silhouettes reflects a keen understanding of what complements her body and style preferences. Malavika takes inspiration from nature's beauty with a peacock-inspired lehenga, showcasing a vibrant color palette reminiscent of the majestic bird. The intricate feather motifs and sequin embellishments create a dazzling effect, making this choice perfect for celebratory occasions that demand a burst of color and vivacity. In a nod to classic sophistication, the actress graces us with an ivory and gold extravaganza. The timeless combination of these hues, coupled with ornate gold embroidery, emanates an aura of regal charm. This lehenga choice is a testament to her ability to make a statement with understated elegance. Malavika captivates in a tiered lehenga marvel. The cascading layers create a playful yet elegant silhouette, adding movement and dynamism to her traditional ensemble. This choice is perfect for those who wish to infuse a modern twist into their ethnic wear. Her fashion choices extend to innovative drapery styles for her dupatta. And there you have it, a glimpse into Malavika Mohanan's traditional lehenga fashion choices. Whether she's donning timeless classics or experimenting with fusion styles, Malavika continues to be a trendsetter in the world of Indian fashion. If you enjoyed this fashion journey, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.